Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about installing VMware ESXi on a bare metal server. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to VMware website to log in. So go to VMware.com and then click on the login option here and go to Customer Connect. If you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up by clicking on this button right here. But if you already have an account, you can just log into it. And then once you're logged in, you can search on Google again. ESXi 6.7 download. Alrighty, download VMware vSphere, but it's not the one that we're going to download. The one that we're going to download is ESXi 6.7. So go to Downloads and choose the ISO file and click on Download Now. So I already got it downloaded here, and we're going to go to the next step. The next part is going to the iDRAC. So the server that I have is a Dell server, and in order to get into the server itself, we need to go to the iDRAC. So iDRAC is an integrated Dell remote access. So basically, this is the tool that we can use to remote in to the server that don't have any operating system yet. So normally the password is Calvin. Let's Google. I don't remember. Dell default credential, default iDRAC password. Yeah, Calvin. But I already reset my password, so something different. Alrighty, once logged in, we just choose System, and then we want to launch the Virtual Console Preview, and that would download JNLP file. And in order to open this, we need a Java Web Start Launcher. And in order to get this application, we need to download it from either Java or Oracle. For this, so for this example, I will show you how to get it from Oracle. So basically, just search on Java, and the old version that I use is 6.7. It's because my Dell server is pretty old. So I just search for the 32-bit of Java 6U7, and then I downloaded the Java 6.7. And once downloaded, we can launch it. We can launch the JNLP file. And if you can't see this, you need to go to the File Explorer and search for the C program files 86. That's because it's using 32-bit. That's why it's on the program files 86. And search for Java. And we go to the bin file, and we choose the Java WS. And that's going to open the Virtual Console server. All right, so I've already got ESXi installed, but in this tutorial, I'm going to reinstall it so that I can show you guys how it works. So we have an ISO file, and we can just mount that ISO file with the virtual media and then launch virtual media. And then we can add image. So we go to downloads where the ESXi was downloaded, and we search for, and we select this one and click on mapped, and we can minimize this. And the next step is to restart the server, the bare metal server. To do so, we can press F12. As you can see in this, as you can see down here. Oh, I can't remember my password. All right. The other way to restart the bare metal server is by clicking power and use the power system cold boot. Click on OK. So that's pretty much going to restart the server. Alrighty, so we just need to wait. So we can see the screen right here, and we just need to press F12 to enter the BIOS boot manager. Alrighty, so we are in BIOS boot manager. So the one that we need to choose is the virtual CD. Alrighty, so the first one is the one that we have to choose, the ESXi 6.7. Now it's going to load the ESXi installer. Just need to wait for it. All right, after waiting for around 10 minutes-ish, we are now on this screen. It's almost completed the installation. It's deciding all the services that ESXi require. And it's going to bring us to this screen right here, and we just need to press enter to continue, and then F11 to accept and continue. Alrighty, so this is the hard drive that we have. It's a pretty small hard drive that I have. It's a test server. So I'm just gonna press enter. Alrighty, so the one that we have to choose. So because I already have ESXi installed, as I mentioned earlier, that's why there are these options. So these options are available for me, but we will choose the third option. So I'm just gonna, oops, I think I pressed the wrong one. Let's find a way to get back to that. So I'm just gonna press F9 to go back to this option. So I'm just gonna press space to choose install ESXi override VMS data store, and then press OK. And then we will choose US default. All right, so this is gonna be the root password for you to log into ESXi. So I'm just gonna type my super secret password. Okay, so you need to have a character on the password, and then press enter to confirm. Alrighty, next we click on enter and F11 to start the installation. So I'm just gonna pause this video and I'll get back to you once this installation completed. Alrighty, so we have done the installation, and in this screen right here, we are going to choose, oh, there's only one option here, which is to enter. So I'm just gonna exit from this virtual media, and I would click on enter, and that will shut down and reboot the server. And that's pretty much it. Alrighty, so we have completed the installation. The next thing that I would like to show you is how to access the ESXi through a browser. So I'm just going to open a browser and type the IP address of this ESXi. So it's 192.168.100.2. So we will see the screen right here, and we just proceed. And yeah, we have completed the installation. Now we just need to log in with the password that we created earlier. Click OK. And yeah, congrats, you have installed ESXi on a bare metal server. Thank you for watching.